So guys, Samsung has officially acknowledged the battery drain issue on its wearable devices running the latest One UI update. So if you have a Gear S3 with latest Tizen 4.0.4, you will get a fix for battery drain soon. Recently, Samsung sent a new update to a Gear S3 user. The update was just 10 megabytes in size, but the changelog promised to fix the critical battery drain issue, plus some other bug fixes. As of now, there is no update whether Galaxy Watch, Gear Sport and other Tizen-based devices will get this update or not. If you have a Gear S3 running the latest One UI update and you're also having the battery drain issues, just go to the Galaxy wearable application, go to About Watch and check for updates. For my Galaxy Watch, still there is no update. Let me know in the comment section below if you have got the update or not, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.